Today we are going to present phrases and my phrase is to be famous for. च्यासाठी प्रसिद्ध असणे. शिवाजी महाराज was famous for his bravery.
To be afraid of. ची भीती वाटणे. राणी is afraid of snake.
To look after. ची काळजी घेणे. We should look after our grandparents.
To be good at. च्यामध्ये तरबेज असणे. She is good at sports and games. To give up. सोडून देणे, त्याग करणे. He gave up his bad habits.
In search of च्या शोधार्थ. She was in search of a new job.
To be afraid of. ची भीती वाटणे. Tia is afraid of darkness. To run away. पळून जाणे. The thief run away from jail.
In front of. च्या समोर. My house is in front of my school.
To look for. शोधणे. He was looking for his notes book. To belong to. च्या मालकीचे असणे. He belongs to the royal family.
A lot of. पुष्कळ. There are lot of in the garden.
Look after. ची काळजी घेणे. I look after my younger brother.
Show off. देखावा करणे. He likes to show off his knowledge. Breakdown म्हणजे मोडणे. My car broke down accident.
Proud of अभिमान असणे. I am proud of my family.
Run away. पळून जाणे. I run away from school.
To be engrossed in. च्यामध्ये मग्न असणे. She was engrossed in reading a book.
To ponder over. च्यावर चिंतन करणे. I pondered over his idea for a long time. To give up. सोडून देणे. I give up bad company. To able to. समर्थ असणे. He is able to speak English.
Look at. च्याकडे पाहणे. I looked at trees. To be muster up courage. धैर्य एकवटणे. He mustered up courage to fight with tiger.
To be found of. ची आवाज असणे. She is found of playing खो-खो.
In a flash. क्षणार्धात. It was done in a flash.
To be known as. ओळखले जाणे. Dr. Abdul Kalam is known as missile man. To be proud of. चा अभिमान असणे. I am proud of my country.
To ask for. मागणी किंवा मागणी करणे. He came into my home to ask for a vote.
To get rid of. च्यापासून सुटका करणे. He got rid of the bad company. To take care of. ची काळजी घेणे. We should take care of our health.
To be able to समर्थ असणे. I am able to speak English fluently.
To look after. ची काळजी घेणे. We should look after our parents.
Instead of. च्या ऐवजी. He played home instead of going to school.
To be eager to उत्सुक असणे. The children are eager to see the circus.
In order to. च्या करिताच्या हेतूने. She worked hard in order to achieve success.
To look for. शोधणे. He was looking for his lost book. Thank you.
Be a part and parcel. अविभाज्य घटक असणे. My school is a part and parcel of my life.